Hello guys, welcome to another vlog. Today we're gonna be surprising my bird with something really cool that I'm gonna find at my local pet store uptown. It's not too far from here. It's literally right uptown from my house. And we're gonna get it tomorrow morning. Actually, no, not tomorrow morning. Tomorrow at some point. But yeah, right now, if you're wondering why I have my headphones on, I'm currently on a call with one of my friends. So, shout out to Gorilla VR 506. Shout out to him, because that's who I'm on a call with right now. But anyway, yeah, stay tuned for a good vlog. Alright guys, so you guys literally could not see me with my lantern. Okay, here we are. So guys, I just woke up pretty late right now. It is 11:35. I went to bed so late last night. But yeah, today's the day we get Mike that thing, and we're gonna see if he likes it. Alright guys, yeah, do not mind, my hair is a complete mess right now. I got a shower. I actually have to shower in the morning today, because yesterday I went to a fun event called National Night Out. I kept going underneath this big fire truck water hose, and yeah, that means today I definitely got to shower in the morning, or first thing of the day. But I gotta wake up a little bit first, so I'm gonna have myself some coffee. By the way guys, soon I will be getting a new camera holder for this phone. This is going to be so great, instead of having to lean it against something on a table, so you can see me a little bit better. So yeah, stay tuned for that. That's going to be next vlog or the vlog after. I don't know. It depends when it gets here, but yeah. So yes, I did it over the sink because I always end up making a mess on this counter right here, so, and my mom gets so mad, so I had to do it over the sink. Ugh. Alright guys, so Just enjoying some coffee now. Yeah. But after I have this cup of coffee, I am going to go in the shower, and then we're going to head on over to the pet store and surprise Mike with this one thing I'm thinking about. So stick around, guys. And by the time you see me again, I'm going to be all showered. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, there we go. Alright, I just got out of the shower. And I guess we're ready to do it. But first, before we go, I'm gonna need to have me some lunch. So let's go grab my sandwich out of the fridge. Just making sure the watermelon's still good because there's only 2 more, and it's been in here all week. So yeah. Nothing but some good old sour cream and onion Sun Chips. There was a piece of hair on my plate. Definitely wasn't mine. Oh boy. Alright guys, I just finished lunch. Let's go say hi to Mike. Oh boy. Uh-oh. I just spilled the watermelon juice on the couch. So you know I just had watermelon right there? I spilled some of the juice on the couch. Oh, my mom is not going to be happy. Alright, Mike is right here. He's not out of the cage today, but we're probably gonna let him out later on. Hey Mike. Say hi to the camera, Mike. Looks like a happy camper, right? He's happy, he's just chilling out. We have a surprise for you, Mike. We have a surprise for you coming up. I think you might like it, Mike, right? Alright, cool. Good talk. Good talk, Mike. Good talk. Alright guys, I have my shoes on now, and we are ready to go. Alright, so we're going to the pet store now, our local pet supply store. Because now, it used to be a pet store, but now they changed it to like, a supply store for pets. Because that place doesn't actually sell animals anymore. Always gotta bring tissues with me. And let's go. That door was unlocked. Oh, look at that sky, guys. Alright guys, so we are on our way to the pet store. Look at that sky, everyone. I really hope I don't get rained on, otherwise that won't be good. It's good. Thank you. Alright, we are here. We are finally here. Now let's do this. We have all these different kinds of things here. We have this bird toy. And there's a picture of a cockatiel right there. These are cool bird toys. Let's see. These are pretty cool. I feel like this is cool. Alright, so we have the toy. We have it. I don't know if Mike's gonna like it or not at first, but hopefully he'll get used to it. Plus, it's very quiet here too. Nobody is here but me. Alright, I just got it, guys. Here it is. Gotta put all the money back in my wallet, by the way. I'll catch up with you guys when I get back home. By the way, it's very humid out here. Yeah. It is like probably one of the humidest days of the year. One of the humidest days of the year. Whew, the most humid days. Oh, but now we have the thing, and now it's time to surprise Mike with it. you gotta untwist this little thing first. Then we gotta hook it onto the cage. Come on. Come on. Oh, it's coming off. It's coming off. There we go. Now we just gotta attach it. Oh boy. So far he's not letting the stuff out here. I'm doing this right. Oh, there we go. There. Very high up though. Maybe we should put it a little bit lower. I don't know if we'll be able to reach all the way up here. There we go. Now let's see if he likes it. See if he likes it. Moment of truth. Alright, so it's been a little bit over an hour. And Mike still hasn't went on that thing, so to be honest, I don't think he cares. So I walked all that for nothing. Mike. Ow. Oh. I got a push pin in my foot.